Alright, it's like 5:30 now, 5:15 p.m. and I finally got this. It's 5:15 p.m. It's the DJI Mini 2 Fly More Combo. And as you all know, ultralight, foldable, less than 249 grams, 31 minutes max flight time, OcuSync 2.0 HD video transmission, 3-axis gimbal camera, 4K video. So this is what I like. This is what I wanted. And the cost for this was $5.99 for this. Not a bad price. So from this, it looks like you get a bag, 3 batteries, charger, remote, of course the Mini 2, and propellers. Okay, so straight out of the bag. Straight out of the bag, looks like there's a zipper pouch here, and got some small propellers. The droid, the remote control, instruction manual is probably in here, and probably the batteries. It says accessories. Yep, here's the batteries. Cool. Alright, man, I'm excited to try it out once I charge it up. Now to head home and get this charged up. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.